Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry jicama with fried dace. Hope you like it. In my previous video, I shared a recipe for stir-fried dace with black bean and white radish. If you are interested, remember to check it out. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Let's start cooking. Stir-fry jicama with fried dace. Ingredients: fried dace, jicama, ginger, dried chili, chopped garlic. Soak dried chilies with warm water. Drain dried chilies and cut into small cubes. Peel jicama shredded and set aside. Chopped ginger. Remove dried dace from can, mash thoroughly and set aside. Stir-fry chopped ginger and dried chilies. Add 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Add fried dace and stir-fry until fragrant. Add shredded jicama. For those who like spicy food, you can add pepper according to your personal taste. I personally think it tastes better when it's spicier. Optional to add chicken powder and soy sauce to taste. Optional to add dark soy sauce to add color. I'll skip this step. Plate and let's eat. Fried dace with jicama is crispy and appetizing, and goes great with rice or steamed buns. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. Don't forget to follow my channel so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Jicama is rich in plant protein, fiber, and vitamins, which can quench thirst, remove alcohol toxins, and prevent neuralgia. Jicama is also rich in water, vitamins, protein, starch, and various elements necessary for the human body, such as calcium, iron, zinc, copper, phosphorus, etc., especially high in water and vitamin C, which has the effects of cooling and removing heat, lowering blood pressure and blood lipids.